Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. So this question belongs to GATE CSE 2010 question 53. Okay, so a hash table of length 10. Okay, so they drawn the table for us. That's really good. Use as a open addressing with the hash function k mod 10. Okay, so this is the most commonly used function, guys. In simple words, mod 10. Okay, yes, it's easy to solve and it's most commonly used. Okay, yes. And linear probing. Okay, so linear probing is used after inserting 6 values into the empty hash table. The table is shown below. So after inserting 6 values, it looked like that. Okay, so which one of the following choice is the correct form? Okay, so we are having 4 options. Okay, so let us start checking them, guys. Okay, yes, so option A. So if I insert a 46 first, so it will take its own slot. Yes, that's correct. If I do 42, it will take its own slot. That's correct. If I do 34, it will take its own slot. That's correct. If I do 52, okay, so now it will clash with this, right? Yes, and what it will form, it should get at this location, right? So how come it comes till here? So this option is wrong, guys. Okay, similarly moving on to the next, so option B, 34. So 34 will be at 4th location, right? 42 will be at 2nd location, right? Similarly 23 will be at 3rd location, right? 52, here there is a clash, here there is a clash, here there is a clash, so it will come here. Yes, similarly 33, so 33 is again having clash, so it should come here, but it came here, hence this is also wrong. Okay, so moving on to option C. Okay, so I think now I cannot mark anything, right? So let me draw again. So what's the issue? Let us draw it them. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, yes. So let me just draw the table. Okay, yes. So 46. So where exactly 46 will go? Will go here. 34. So 34 will go to that slot, right? Okay, so 34 will go here. Where will 42 go? 42 will go to the 2nd slot. 23 will go here. 52 will come here. 33 will come here, right? Yes, we are using linear probing. So if there is a collision, you will go to the next slot. That's it. So now let us compare 42, 23, 34, 52, 46, 33. So this option is absolutely correct, guys. So option C should be the answer. Anyway, let us check option D also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Okay, so let us start solving. So 42, so 42 will take slot here. 46, so 46 will take here. 33 will take here. 23 will take here. 34 will take here. 52 will take here. So again here the order is wrong, right? Hence option D is wrong. So just by observing one value I have decided it. Got it? Yes. So option C will be the correct answer, guys. So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So it is just a simple basic hashing question, guys. If you are not getting the clear idea like how I am exactly doing, please watch the course lecture, guys, because we have discussed all types of hashings with one example in our course lecture. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us go through the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.